Dog tracking and vaccination monitoring system. Nowadays, rabies average 54%, indicating that rabies is still a major public health threat. So we make dog tracking and vaccination monitoring system. Goal of system: first, vaccine alert, vaccination periodically. Second, recording admission history. Third, quarantine in specified area and using IoT hardware, web, and mobile application. How it works? We are using IoT-based hardware, which is a Bluetooth Low Energy 4.0, to attach to dog collar. This collar will broadcast Eddystone without encryption every 7 seconds to indicate itself still in area, or let someone who installed application to know who the owner is. In case of quarantine, central unit is needed. It checks Eddystone message. If message not exit for certain minutes, send notify to backend over web service. Backend will process to notify to mobile application to push message service.